Hi everyone, my name is Erik ten Kate. I'm the Vice President Global Life Science and Agility, here to give you an update on the COVID-19 situation. Capacity from shipping lines and airlines has been significantly reduced, with airlines taking out their passenger flights, which also has an impact on the belly capacity, where we store a lot of cargo. Looking at Europe, we see that the personal protective equipment can no longer be exported or exported only under restrictions, simply because there's a huge need at the moment in the Union itself. In India, the 21-day lockdown, the Indian government has ordered certain products not to be exported anymore and only produced for the local market, which is impacting the global supply chain, simply because the majority of those APIs and generics are shipped out of India. There's a bigger need for working together with all the stakeholders in the supply chain, meaning the pharma manufacturer, the customs clearance agent, the airlines. Everybody is asked to work together to fulfill the humanitarian aspect of this supply chain, I would say. So how is Agility then trying to mitigate the impact of these things happening in the supply chains at the moment? So talking about India, we consolidate the demand to make sure that we combine as much cargo as possible into a charter, into one freighter, to be able to serve the market with reasonable cost, and still getting the shipments out to the countries where they are needed at the moment. Mainly out of China, we're shipping a lot of corona test kits into Europe and beyond. And the same applies for the PPE shipments, shipping them from China into countries where the need is the most, either through charters or any alternative solution that we can find. We're also working with other companies and humanitarian partners in the pandemic supply chain network to make sure that we're prepared to ship products into the world's poorest countries, where we anticipate the COVID virus to be devastating. All in all, the situation is very volatile. It's changing from minute to minute, and I think it's up to the freight forwarders and all the other stakeholders in this pharmaceutical supply chain. Make sure that we do our utmost, adapt to the changing circumstances, to get these life-saving products out to the patients and frontline workers. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Till next time.